PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from Creative, makers of Sound Blaster and everything else throughout the history of time for computers. They've had a lot of products for both PC and Mac. But what we have today is the Aurvana Special Edition headphones for over-the-ear. These are actually Super X-Fi certified, which is an amp for headphones that is able to create a 3D atmosphere, an actual spatial experience for surround sound in your ears. So not just a basic pair 7.1 or 5.1, or you can do really whatever you want, up to 7.1 I believe, or more maybe, but it actually sounds more realistic than anything we've ever heard. But that's another story. That's their Super X-Fi amp. We're gonna have a whole nother thing on that. We're gonna have a story and everything else. For now, we have the Aurvana over-the-ears headphones, and they were nice enough to give this to us when they gave us the amp, so obviously they paired together very well. But for now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this box, show you what these headphones look like, and then you'll go to plcnetwork.net and see what we have to say about them later on. So the headphones are the first thing you come across inside the box, and they're really simple. They're wired, obviously, clearly. You have a 3.5mm jack at the very end, or plug, and the headphones, you know, they're super light. They have a shiny, nice little outside shell to them. There's no buttons or anything like that on them. There's no inline controller, it looks like. It's just a pair of headphones to listen to good music with. You have a special edition headphone Aurvana compliance little warranty thing. That's it. So, the Aurvana headphones from Creative, here they are. Probably one of the simplest unboxings we've ever done. But they have really comfortable muffs. You have a comfortable headband here. These are obviously made to be just simple, kind of studio reference, maybe headphones. We'll find out soon. And I mean, they look good. They're light, they feel good. They're clearly labeled on both sides here, left and right, you know, so there's no doubt on what side goes where. And boy, are those comfy. Super lightweight, very comfortable in the ears. They don't have too much grip or anything like that. They're not going to fall off, but they're also not going to compress and, you know, just squeeze everything in and giving you a headache or anything like that. So far, I've got high expectations. But that's it. That's all we can really discuss now, because this is just an unboxing. For the review, go to the website at plcnetwork.net. We'll eventually, soon, hopefully, we're gonna have a full story on this, and you'll be able to read it and see what we liked. You know, we'll put this up against music and see what we like or dislike and all that fun stuff, pictures and everything else you could ask for. And of course, we're gonna test it with the Super X-Fi amp, which is awesome. Go check them out. There's best of CES winners from us. One of our top 5 picks. So for now, check out this story. That's a whole nother one in itself. Check them both out once they're available, plcnetwork.net. And as always, if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe. The button's right below, so is the comment section in case you want to reach out to us. And until next time, we thank you for watching. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.